Hi folks, this is Heather and I'm here today with my honest review of the Kwikset Casey door handle lever in the matte black finish. And I'm going to tell you about some of the features of this doorknob, and hopefully that will help you make your decision. So one of the things I was very pleased with when these items arrived is the matte black finish is real classy looking. I was very impressed with how nice the finish is. It's very smooth and it just looks really great. It's wide on all sides. I purchased these doorknobs in a few different varieties. This particular one is the privacy version of the handle. And as you can see, there's an area here. It comes with an emergency key that you could open if you were to get locked out. And it comes with this middle piece here, including the matte black screws here. And then as you can see on the back side here, this is one of the locking models. It also comes with the plate piece here that goes on the door jamb side. Finally, I wanted to show you how easy these are to install. I'm a 43-year-old female and I did these all on my own throughout my entire house. I did 3 variations of them: the privacy ones that lock, the passage ones that turn but they don't lock, and then the dummy ones that are for like a closet. And basically, even with the hardest ones, which were the locking ones, you simply put the 2 pieces through the door and then you just turn the screws really to tighten and secure them. This is one of the dummy ones, but it's a very similar process for the other 2 types as well. So the screws that come with it have a rounded head and they are a matte black finish too. So even on the side where you screw them in like this, it really gives it a nice look with those matte black screws. And then to put the handle on, you could put the handle either way, whichever way you need it on the door that you're on. But you basically just slide it on, and then there's a tool that comes with it where you just insert it and you tighten this little screw in there with just a few turns, and that secures the handle in place. Okay, with the ones that have the passage or the locking, there's another area right inside the door where you put 2 screws in, and then on the door jamb you screw in that plate. But again, just a matter of simple screws. I used a screwdriver, and that was the only tool that I needed. The other thing I wanted to point out is they're very forgiving when installing. So if this is not perfectly straight, you can just loosen the screws a tad and adjust it and get it straight there. But I didn't have any problem with that. So I hope this helps you make your decision.